All jumpers do as we now set out for the 5,000. A big field of 33. Karabatu, Tanuj, Vinayak, Gaurav, Navratan, Versi. In fact, by the time they finish 400, I'll finish the list of the 33. Versi, Kripa, Nishant, Bittu, Kailash, Omveer, Rahul, Kapil, Mohammad Yunus, Yuvraj, Subnam, Punit, as they now go into the first lap. With the leader out here in the early stages is Arpit Kumar Pal of Uttar Pradesh. Shubham, Punit, Gyan, Kunal, Tanish, Shubham, who is in the lead in the very first 400 meters, but that could be either temporary or it could be a game plan where he decides to hold on to it till the end. Lucky, Arpit, Rohit, Pankaj, Ajay, Sandeep, Baljit, Kem, Rahul, Gurav and Rohit. Gulveer Singh, the national record, 13 minutes 18.92, June 2024 at Grisham. Shadab Patan, Chandigarh, 14:06:10, 2023. So they're all together, all 23 who started, all 33 correction who started. It's still Shubham Yadav, or was it Arpit Kumar Pal? It was Arpit Kumar Pal, short, diminutive. He's the one who's taken and maintained that lead of about half a meter. But very soon one can sense that the others have other plans to go past Arpit Kumar Pal, who had for a moment that glory in front of him. Is now dropping behind right now in 4. Drop back now, Arpit. We've got a new leader for you. Will that remain the same is also the question. Approaching next of the plans out here. Our lap judges will then announce the number remaining. So we got 10 to go from here on. Karabatu Paidapu of Andhra Pradesh. He is the leader. At the far side, at the back straight, the last was 10 laps to go, so they've now coming to a space where it will be 9 from here on. The field is withering from the leader to the others. There is a difference. It's still the top 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Could be anyone's game. You still have the leader remaining the same, Rahul Kumar Verma from Chhattisgarh. Clings on to that lead. 8.5 to go, I suspect, from here on. But he's also losing it now. Rahul Kumar Verma, after 9, held on to that lead. Is now going back. Not much to choose between the top 7 or 8. Soon we'll find the group breaking away The top 8 or 9 will decide to be on their own journey.
Just new national record. Personal goal. 5,000 meters.
So yes, they are also running an event where very recently there was a record. Which one was that, Dr. Sinha?
योगीबो एथलेटिक्स चैलेंज कप जो जापान में हुआ है उसमें गुलबीर सिंह ने अपने उन्हीं का नाम से पहले रिकॉर्ड था, उसमें उन्होंने काफी 7 सेकंड्स का सुधार करते हुए 13 मिनट 11.82 सेकंड 13 मिनट्स 11.82 सेकंड करके नया नेशनल रिकॉर्ड 5000 मीटर्स का क्रिएट किया है। और अभी आपके सामने 5000 मीटर्स की दौड़ भी चल रही है। गुलबीर को भी बधाई और इन लड़कों को भी जिन्होंने उनसे प्रेरणा लेके और आगे जाना है।
So Gulveer actually had set his record at Grisham, 13 minutes 18.92 on the 9th of June 2024, which was just 3 months ago, 13th, 9th of June 2024, and he now betters it with 13:11.82. He clipped off a fair bit from his own record set this very year. The 5,000 meters, if you go back into Indian history, has had some super runners. One of them was here yesterday, Surendra Singh of the services, now trains the athletes as a part of the Sai body in Bangalore. Surendra was the national record holder for the 5,000 and the 10,000.
और जब हम लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस की बात करते हैं बिहार के उस महान एथलीट लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस स्वर्गीय शिवनाथ सिंह को हम कैसे भूल सकते हैं, जिन्होंने मैराथन में 1976 मॉन्ट्रियल ओलंपिक्स में 11th पोजीशन हासिल किया था। 5000 मीटर्स 10,000 मीटर्स में एशियन चैंपियनशिप एशियन गेम्स में मेडल लिए थे और इसी बिहार के रहने वाले हैं शिवनाथ सिंह। और उनके बारे में कहा जाता था लायन हार्टेड वो रनर थे। और एक बात और मैं बता दूं, जब 1976 मॉन्ट्रियल ओलंपिक्स में वो दौड़ रहे थे तो बाकी रनर्स के चेहरे पे कैमरा होता था, फोकस होता था और इनके पैरों पे होता था, क्योंकि ये खाली पैर उस दौड़ को इन्होंने लगाई थी और 11वां पोजीशन हासिल किया था।
Record in the marathon instantly still stands. It's for over 40 years now, and he's one of those boys, I think, from the BR Regiment Center, if I recollect right. Because I remember last year when I visited the BR Regiment Center, they had a photograph of him out there. I think he was with the BR Regiment Center for some time before he quit the BR Regiment.
He started his career in Indian Army and excelled in long middle distance running.
So yes, a resident of Bihar, Patna. His memory, of course, the 5,000 meters. The pack now separating themselves. I doubt whether 842 is the leader. Kripa Shankar of Uttar Pradesh has been lapped there. The leader now is Gaurav Chaudhary of Uttar Pradesh. That's the leader of the pack there. We had earlier on Arpit Kumar Pal and Shubham Yadav in the first 3 rounds. Some of them are trying to break away. When they do approach the judges, the lap judges right in front of us, we will have an absolute clear indication as to who is on, some of them dropping out. And the pack now slowly emerging from the far side. Gaurav Chaudhary, Uttar Pradesh. Right behind him, it's a long list out here. Shubham Balyan of Uttar Pradesh. That's the pack. And 4 laps to go from here on. you might have a situation where the top two might break away. There are only two possibilities. There could be a third. The two could break away. The other is that someone at 3 and 4 could slip in there. And the third possibility, of course, is that the 1 and 2 decide to call it a day. So that's the way the leader continues to stay, with Shubham Balyan now slipping into number 2. Gaurav Chaudhary and Balyan, the two of them. You also got a third hanging on to that dear life. Number 3 could just about get past them. But these two surely look determined. Gaurav Chaudhary of Uttar Pradesh and Shubham Balyan also of Uttar Pradesh. Pritam Bhind, 1500 to 5000 from Uttar Pradesh. Name which readily comes to mind. And at the back in number 3 is Puneet Yadav. Now that's the boy who won the 10,000. We might have a situation where he might be looking at a double. Remember, go back into history. In the Olympic Games, which recently was made, the great Emil Zatopak won the 5,000, 10,000 and the marathon. Never ever achieved the 3 golds in the long distance. But very recently, the Netherlands girl, the Moroccan, who shifted from Morocco to the Netherlands, Hassan in the women, won 2 bronze and a gold, emulating the great Emil Zatopak. The same pattern now. Gaurav Chaudhary, Puneet Yadav looks determined, the winner of the 10,000 meters. Shubham Balyan hanging on, they're lapping some of the others. Yadav now taking the lead for the first time. He looked good in the 10,000, he stole it away in the 10,000. He was the Lone Ranger to start off with. He had a different game plan in the 5,000, was lying low, and now has gone ahead to take the lead out here. Puneet Yadav, the last 400 meters, in fact the last 300 meters out here, Puneet looks strong. So does Shubham Balyan. The last 200 odd meters that will remain. Will it be Balyan? Will it be Puneet Yadav? Will there be someone slipping in again there? Puneet looks strong. The number 2 and number 3 has changed now. But Puneet is going on his own. He looks, unless it's different like one of the earlier events where we had a surprise. But this boy now will add perhaps the 10,000 to his kitty, making it a double. Doesn't look as if anyone will get to him. Yes, there he is. Puneet Yadav, that grunt which he did in the 10,000 as well. He goes on to win the 5,000 meters and makes a double.